Little fish on here. 2 pound. He's kind of skinny. Nice. Oh, that's good. In the boat. Dude, look at that, dude. We're catching them now. Look at that. Another nice bass. Yeah, seriously, I didn't even know this place was back here. Big. Oh. Yeah, dude, it's actually big, dude. It's actually big. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. No way. I'm gonna walk him all the way back. No, ready? Get him, Jacob. Oh, nice.
2.5.
It looked a lot bigger in the water, but dude, that's a nice one.
That's a good one. You want a picture?
Yeah, I got a picture of that one.
Yeah.
That's cool. All right, let's get this nice bass back. Nope. Maybe. Hey, no, it's a bass. Did you see him? Oh, it's bigger, dude. Oh, crap.
I got him.
You got him? Dude, no way that just happened. Dude, that's another big one, dude. Let me see that.
That's so cool.
Dude, that's like a over 2, right? Look at that thing.
Dude.
That's a big one, too. Dude, that was worth it. This another nice bass back.
It's a little better than downtown. I was like, you got all of that downtown. It was never coming off.
Yeah, that's a nice fish right there, too. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. It might be the biggest one yet. Toad. Ready? Oh yeah, that's a nice one, Jacob. Get him. Grab him. Nice. It's another nice one, dude. Holy crap. Oh yeah, that's what you want to see right there.
You want one?
Yeah, sure. Another nice fish, dude. Today's awesome day. Let's get him back. Got this nice one. Probably a little over a pound. Yeah, nobody has even looked at us. The heck. It's probably not even allowed though. Like, we're not even the people. It said at the sign there, customers only.
When I walk in, oh, that was
Hook them.
Dude, I walk by those people and I'm just like,
Flip that one. Here, let me see the line.
dude, that's a big one. It's like a 3. 2.5.
Yeah. He's short, but he's like fat.
Dude, this is a different fish.
Maybe.
There's a school over here.
It's a good one. Pound it. Oh, it jumped off. That was a big one. I literally was just dealing with like a tangle. I had my rod, like, my Ned rig was like, what, a foot under the water. And this thing decided, this nice, it's not even a bad fish either. This bass decided to almost pull my rod in the water. Hey, look at this. This is crazy. We're catching fish left, right, and center. No.
Oh, it came off.
That was like a 4-pounder. Dude, it was ripping. Did you hear the drag?
Yeah.
That was actually like a...
Oh my god.
Oh! Get him! Get him! That's why I wanted to finish the pass. Grab him! Dude, it came off into your hand. How big is that?
It's like a 3.5 or something.
Oh my gosh, dude, look at that. Yes, dude. Dude, it came off into your hand. That was amazing, dude. Oh my gosh, thank you. All right, guys, let's let this freaking beauty go. Right as we were about to turn around and leave, because it's getting a little late. Dude.